Welcome back everyone. As you may have already noticed, this video is about my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Today I am going to charge the phone for the first time and also turn it on for the first time. From this you will be able to see what steps are required to set up the device and the startup procedure. If you would like to see the unboxing, please watch the other video in my channel. This is the Note 8 Gold and let me plug it into my brand new charger provided. Now we will start. The default language seems Chinese. Let me change it to English. Next screen will ask you to connect the phone to a wireless network. Let me get it connected. Next it will present the terms and conditions and other things you need to decide before using the device. Once you press next it will check and download any available updates. Next screen is to connect to your Google account. With this the Note 8 will be able to import all the details your Google account holds. These include your contacts, applications, and settings used, etc. One other good thing is, if you were using a compatible device previously, this will show it here, so you can get applications and their data easily. Once all the settings are downloaded it will present with the security setup screen from which you can set up face recognition, iris scanner, fingerprint, pattern, or a password to access your device. Even though you can skip this with the last option, it is important to set it up, so let me do it. I am going to try face recognition. Next will be Google Assistant setup. Then it will show additional applications you can get from Samsung. I am going to try all of them. Now the device does its final configurations, which will take about 40 seconds. Next screen it will provide any available applications from your service provider. Then it will ask to set up or sign into your Samsung account. next screen assists in bringing existing content from your alt phone. Your songs, videos, notes, etc. will be moved without much effort. This will be the final screen on the phone setup, which will let you set up additional features. On the first use, Bixby will update itself. Until that, we will check the other things on the phone. We will quickly check the camera. Nice, it displays a guide at the first use. Switching between lenses seems easy. But I miss picture-in-picture mode, which I had in my old Samsung phone. When you switch on the Samsung Note 8, it will display the notifications. Since I have set up face recognition, the phone unlocks when I look at it. It is nice to see it working very quickly. That ends my video of first startup of the Samsung Note 8. Thank you for being with me all this time.